Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Gible in Pokémon Legends Arceus. Start by unlocking the high-rank areas and tracking Alpha footprints on the map. Then approach using stealth to avoid alerting it, weaken it with non-lethal moves, and use heavy balls or high capture tools when its HP is low and status conditions are applied. Build a team focused on control and survival to increase your capture odds. Use a fast lead with sleep or paralysis moves, and bring a bulky switch-in to absorb powerful hits. Keep several healing items and revives handy because Alpha fights can wreck your party fast. Consider moves that lower attack or speed to buy time, then switch to strong catch tools once the Alpha is weakened. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more walkthroughs. Quick recommendation. On another note, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many think about money, and it's a strong, calm read if you enjoy thoughtful advice. It pairs oddly but nicely with grinding for rare Pokémon. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Scout the area and use elevated terrain for stealth approach to an Alpha Gible. Throw bait or sparkles to separate it from groups or lure it into a better position. Start the fight with status moves rather than brute force, and switch to capture gear when its HP is low and the prompt appears. Keep patience and save before major attempts to prevent losing progress if your team faints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.